Hello guys, this is Ronit from MathX, and today we're going to be solving the number 23 for the AMC 2023. Now, this problem, in my opinion, was pretty decently challenging. But if you just recognize this small trick in it, it all gets easier and you could solve this problem in probably less than 10 seconds. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Each square in a 3x3 grid is randomly filled with one of the four gray and white tiles shown below on the right. What is the probability that the tiling will contain a large gray diamond in one of the smaller 2x2 grids? Below is an example of such tiling. And they have these four different squares here that have four different patterns on each vertice. So, one of the key things that we could recognize here is that we could first recognize what are all the combinations in total. So, since it's a 3x3 grid, that's like 9 squares. And since there's four different patterns, you can have four different patterns for each of those 9 squares. So we can write one thing here of the total is going to be equal to 4 to the 9th power. So that in our case would be our denominator. So let's just write that here. So that's our denominator in our probability. Next, we define our specific cases. The specific cases of having a diamond there. So, since we have a square that already contains a diamond, we define the number of arrangements for all of the other 5 squares. So, that would simply be 4 to the 5th. So, let's just write that here. We have 4 to the 5th for these squares right here. But we could recognize one other thing here, is that this square with the diamond could go in each of these corners. So we had to find out how many ways that diamond could be placed there, which would be 4, because it could go in the upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right. So, since it can go in those 4 areas, you have to also multiply for the probability of where that diamond will be. So you have to multiply by 4 in that case. And that would be equal to 4 to the 6th. So in 4 to the 6th possibilities will we have a diamond. So now we just have to have that divided by 4 to the 9th. So let's just do that right here. 4 to the 6th over 4 to the 9th. And then we can just simply just cancel out the stuff here. That it becomes 4 to the 3 over 4 to the 0. Which just equals 1 over 4 to the 3. And that will just be equal to 1 over 64. Which is answer choice C. So as you can see here, you just have to recognize here how the other arrangements for the other than the diamond for all those 5 squares. And you also have to recognize how the diamond can go in the 4 corners. But other than that, we have solved this problem. And we are officially finished.